All right, all right. Good morning. That's right. So how the gaps work? So obviously there's a gap in here to here. What time that happened? That was last night. No, that was on Friday. Okay. I guess right before the market. Well, after hours basically. And then is it gonna fill the gap? Gap, I'm saying gap fill or no? And here. This is the gap. These two pink lines here. So most of the time it has to fill it. But it looked like it want to. Let me see. A spot did the same thing, I'm sure. Yeah. Or that's a smaller one. Not as big. It look like it's trying to, yeah, be closed above there. Well, that one spy gap is not as big as QQQ. They had a gap. So now we have an EMA cross here, which is the 50 EMA and the 14, which it probably can go here to the 200. And if it go there, then it's probably just gonna fill that gap. So that's what I'm anticipating. I could be wrong. I could be wrong, but we gonna see. We gonna see. In the meantime, what is Apple doing? Wow, Apple wants to go up. Apple says, see all y'all later. Apple been dropping crazy. Like, going up. Look at that hourly candle. 5 minute do what the hourly is doing. That's interesting. Whoa, Tesla's going the opposite way. Okay. All right, that's interesting. At a key level, making a lower low. Interesting. AMD. Wowzers. Yeah. Oh, okay. AMD and NVIDIA. Same. So they going up today. So they have a cross here too. The 50 and the 14 on NVIDIA. This means the EMA, so whatever direction the EMAs are pointing, that's where the market wants to go. And this white line is yesterday's close. So, and this is a candlestick pattern with this pin bar right here. That's a long pin bar, jeez. That's a long bullish candle. That normally means it's going up. Looking pretty bullish today. Yeah. Normally from the 50, you go right to the 200. And that's like it's where it's on its way to. But it could be rejecting yesterday's close, but we gonna see NVIDIA. AMD is moves like NVIDIA, but NVIDIA be moving the market. So probably what SPY and QQQ are doing. Oh, and it filled the gap. Oh my goodness. Okay. Gap is filled. That's interesting. Okay. All right. What's gonna happen next? Okay. That is interesting and cute. Doing the same thing. You got all these stuff. Oh, man. That's gonna say, no, no, okay. Is it gonna wait to the 800? See what happened, y'all? It passed here, 14 and 50, right to the 200. Yeah, tap, second touch, third touch. Out of there. Going right here. Now, this is where It could either reject right here, which is at 821.50 on NQ, or it's going to blow through it. Now, if it's below through it, definitely a bullish day. Because this is the line isn't saying, told you it's like the president of the United States. Like all these other indicators down here is cool, but this one right here is about the 800. It's going to fly, but it also could reject it. So pretty sure ES on the same thing. Yep, on the way to the 800. For sure. And then you got the cross over here too on ES. Went to the 200, going to the 800. QQQ went to the 200. Where do you think it's going? 800? Way up here. Could. But we need a pullback. So that's what we're waiting for. We don't just jump in. That's chasing. So the gap has been filled. That's cute. So we can erase this. Boom. All right. So I'm anticipating some type of action up here. But so red high means over, but meaning there's a lot of people in that trade right now. Pretty sure I'm gonna look at the contracts. Pretty sure probably over 100,000 people. I'm gonna look just to see. Let's see. Just curious, all right? 'Cause obviously, things are looking bullish today. Let's see here. QQQ. All right. What's today? Okay, today is the yeah. Let's see, 200. Oh yeah, not that many. Okay, it's only 9,000. I was wrong. 9,000 right now, 3,000 open interest, and then just dropped to 10,000. Okay, I was expecting more. That's probably more inspired. Let me see. I don't know. You want to chase that, and it's gonna pull back on you. That's why you don't get in at the top. Never get in at the top. If you ain't learned nothing else trading with me, never get in at the top, unless you see a setup to get in at the top. But this right here, no. Look right where it went. Yesterday's closing price and rejected. That's why you wait. Patience pays us. Hold on, let me see SPY. I'm just curious. Curious on SPY. Oh no, maybe I want to keep going. I don't know. I can't keep up. Let me see. SPY. SPY is 201. They normally like 76. Damn, they a little expensive today. Okay, 25,000 at SPY. Okay. 25,000. So we waiting on the Orbi 945, which is in 5 minutes, and waiting on the higher low or the orb, whichever. We'll see what it is. Yeah. So I'm just waiting to see is it gonna climb above the 800 on NQ, which I think it might. See. Yeah, MACD is pointing up, my G. It is pointing up. Yeah, that thing is probably gonna keep going up. I'm thinking here. Yeah, that's above. Yeah, we got the Kermit down here. Hey, Kermit. That's my boy right there. And you see it's like oversold. Even on the RSI right here. I got my boy up there. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta make sure this is visible. Forgot to do that. Okay, now you can see. So see, like the volume was just super stupid flat. All those pre-market, flat, 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 and then the volume just spikes. Interesting. I gotta pay attention to the volume too. The volume wouldn't show up on this one. It's tripping for some stupid reason, but whatever. I was just flippy. Oh man. Oh man. Look, yep, it's rejected. You ain't cute. So you gotta wait. I don't know why this line is here, so don't want it. Waiting on a
The
higher.
the MNQ went right to the Asian high and bounced off.
It bounced off.
The MNQ, yeah.
Oh, that make it. Yeah, same deal. Yep. Boom. It bounced off. See? I ain't even mark those up today. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So it hit the top and coming back down. It didn't even hit the 800 yet, but it is pulling back. We need a higher level pull right back to the 14 on the 1 minute. Okay. And I like to see what's going on all of them. Okay, 15 minute is hella bullish. Show us the 30 minute. 15 minute and a 30 minute bouncing off that 50. So 16 minutes to a new candle. Hourly is above the 14, but with the 50. Interesting, interesting, interesting. This is looking like a double bottom here on the 30 minute. Like that too on the 15. Yeah, on the 15. And hourly. Yeah. They giving double bottom vibes. Okay. Everybody's in agreement here. This could really run. This could really run. They give us a nice higher low. That is. Okay, it's 9:45. Almost. 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 NVIDIA. NVIDIA. And looking for a play. All right, we start marking out. And we wait. And if y'all see something, let me know. Let us know. We here together. All right. And let's see here. Boom. Spy. This is a crazy level of swap zone here. These two pink lines. I'm gonna change my pink lines on Spy then. I'm gonna do like green or something. Uh-oh. Spy might wanna come back down, huh? Sheesh. This is like a right here, like a swap zone here, which is once resistance, now support, and vice versa. So under here, these candles, this is resistance. Above here, this is support. So yeah, that's just a level that the candles keep coming back to. Obviously, right? So uh AMD, whoa. AMD said night night, huh? That's how you feel? Like three bearish candles? Three dark crows there. Bear, bear, bear. That's a crazy candle. Like that is crazy. Apple. Okay, Apple look like it still want to go up though. Boom. He's looking for the play. All right. Yes, baby. I see he was trying to get above the 800 on ES. Let me see. Two. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Be waiting for some price action. Look how it's bouncing off the 200, though. It's coming right back to it on the ES. Thank you. What are you doing? And this is the same thing as swap zone up here on NQ. Swap zone. Once resistance, now support. And it's also the 800 is sitting up there. That is quite interesting as well. And this is like right here. This is down here. So either a higher low or a break and retest of support and resistance, whichever happens first. That's what I'm waiting on. Let's see. Keep an eye out, y'all. Keep an eye out. Man, this cross to go up, but looking like it's going to come back down. Just when I thought it was going to be a bullish day. I mean, because the 15 minute, the 30-minute, and the hourly is giving double bottoms, but this could just be a strong pullback or not. What is it gonna do? This is like a resistance point up here. And this is a support level down here. Q and SPY. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. Oh, okay, it's playing. So giving us on SPY, gave us our little tap, but like, guess they don't want to give us no reset. But let me see something, though. Where is the 786 level? Let me see. So lower low, swing high, swing low. Okay, move this up just a little bit. So 786 is here. So if it come under this line, this dotted line right here, that's the bye-bye uptrend line. That means it's gonna keep going lower. If it closes underneath that. If not, then yeah, it can definitely come up to the fib levels, which is past here. But at this point, I don't know what it wants to do. Well, I'm gonna change these colors so we'll know this the fib levels there. So like purple. So right above the key level. All right. So we gonna see. We gonna see. We're gonna give us a higher low, or they're gonna go level by. Right here. So this is the previous hourly candle high right here. So if it's gonna be bullish, I gotta get above here. I gotta get above yesterday's close, and I gotta get above resistance. Now here's the higher low. Uh oh, Cheerios. I don't know. Look a little sus. Jackies. And interesting. Hey, it's so interesting. Just dangling right on it. Oh. 3 whole minutes on that candle. Hmm. Uh-oh. Well. Oh wow. So that hourly flip bearish. Continuation bearish. Bearish continuation pattern on the 1 hour. Which is so interesting. Because I just was viewing this as a double bottom, but it looked like it was just want to come back down. Yeah, low, low. It's going to come down here to 518. That'll be a cool little scalp right there. It's definitely going to hit it. 518 on NQ. Because you got a lower high on the 15-minute. Everything just flipped. Like, oh, the news. Let me see. Not yet, right? 9:52. Well, I guess it's getting ready. No, nothing crazy today. Wow. Just interesting. Okay. This is why you wait, people. But look, you see how it's respecting that little blue line here? That is so amazing to me. Like, how does it know? How? Crazy. Mm. It is breaking a retest though, of the support line. Let's not lose focus of that. Uninspired. And it's dangling here, so it kind of can go up, kind of can go down. How much time? 2 minutes on this candle. Ooh, this is interesting. Okay. It's just a breakdown on QQQ. SPY got the retest already. With the bearish sentiment with the 3 bar play. Okay. Apple. It's in between. Tesla. Whoa. Tesla is like gone. Okay. Tesla got the break and retest too. Well, tap and retest, my bad. Whoa. Tesla got the tap and retest. Look at that. That is a crazy bearish candle. Or SPY got the retest. So, oh. You gotta see if it's gonna close underneath there. 'Cause if that's gonna close underneath there, then Rama, yeah, it look like it's heading to this previous week low, which is at 677.50, right to this dotted line. Or not. I don't know what it wanna do. That's a crazy higher low though. Oh my God. Yeah. And Q, same thing. Yeah. Just give you the breakdown. Just like QQQ. No retest though. Yes. Yep. Yes, gave you the retest. So yes, is that next candle is bearish. Can take it for a quick scout. Um, that's the level right there. Previous week low. The next level is 6752. If it come down, break and retest that, it's going there. We gonna see though. It looked like it went to. It looked like it went to. Oh, it looked like it went to. Oh, it's probably gonna play on that line. That's the previous week low. Okay, so
Hello.
new candle. Yep, yep. There we go. Looking drippy today. I was just what I thought it was going up, y'all. I thought it was going up. So this is breaking the support level here. The minor support level. But QQQ just had a breakdown. SPY got the retest, so let me look at that one. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay, so let's examine, right? Sure. This is our lovely support level. We got the tap and retest, and this is the bearish candle lower than the retest. This could keep going with the 800. Oh, way up there? Oh, okay. Yankees. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm about to look at these contracts because everything is like pointing down now. What happened? And it's at the bottom. Yeah, the pre-market low there. Yeah. And you see the volume here, how the candles is like slightly above it. So it may pull back. So I'm gonna just wait a second. Let me see here. Given the low, the low, the low. Oh yeah, this looks like it's about to drop though. Look at all this redness. And it's popping right back up. See? And it's at the bottom. It's at the discount level, but it definitely can go lower. Let's look at SPY 1 hour. 1 hour. So, so you see why this yellow line is here? This is the lower low right here. Actually, you can move it a little lower. Right there. Bam. Yeah. For all these back here, it already took out. So yeah, SPY can come down all the way to 670.93. It could. If it comes past this, let me matter of fact, I'm picking that one up. If it comes past this, it's going there. I'm just saying. Or on the hourly. So we're gonna spoof that up a little bit. All right. And this will be the goal. Hold on. 1 second, getting it together. Yeah. All right. So, yeah. All right. Close underneath there. I'm gonna look at these contracts because this will be the next destination. Okay. So let me look because that is the bearish candle lower than the retest candle. But the thing is, let me see. You don't want to pull back and make a lower high, or is it just gonna keep going? That's when it be getting tricky. So let me look. Let me look at. Yeah. Oh man, I gotta blow my nose. Oh man, 52,000. Hold on. 1 second, that's wrong. And we're gonna call 5. Okay, it's 5,677. Oh wow. 41,000. Yeah. 676 and 215 and 31,000. That's a 0.44 delta. 211 adds 210 bid. When it's 1 cent away, that's a close, clean spread. So I would be looking y'all at the 676 5 put and ES. ES already passed that. Yep, ES closing. ES is going right here. And Q playing around today. They ain't retest the support. So I will be looking at ES. See? See what I'm saying? Hold on. So just hold on though. I'm trying to see if they're gonna pull back and make a little high, or if they're gonna keep going. So what is gonna determine that is if it comes lower. If it comes lower. But y'all know the low can keep moving lower, lower, lower. Or the low can stick there and make a lower high. But it's definitely giving bearish. Let's see what the higher time frames are doing. Okay. Could be pulling back. Could be pulling back. Could be pulling back. Got a lower low 15-minute, lower low 30-minute, lower low hourly. So pulling back, pulling back. So if it's pulling back, then we wait for the lower high. If it close lower, then it means you can take it. 1 minute, look. 1 minute, like you want to come back down. Like, definitely bearish. You know what I'm saying? Definitely bearish though. Definitely bearish for sure. But it's just like, okay, 2 minute death crowds. Right here. And on the 1 minute death crowds. Right here. And you got the 14 and the 50 crossing on the 5 minute. Okay. All right, see? Popping back up on the 1 minute. That's why we be patient, people. We see the destination though. But we have to wait for the market structure. So biz lower high. See the hourly just flipped? Oh, new hourly candle, that's why. Okay. It's 10:02. Oh, it was some 10 o'clock news. Housing market index, business inventories. Let's say delayed. Okay. And that was it. Everything else is regular. But okay. This could be popular. See now I got the Yeah, I got the red star. That means bearish. This means it could be bullish. Interesting, right? That's why you check it out. So 10 o'clock news is pushing the market back up, but we gonna see what it do. And let me put in this paper tray so we can watch the low level 2 stuff. But I like to watch it. It's kind of cool. The DOM on QQQ, not QQQ. I was looking at SPY. There we go. Oh, see, Kermit's starting to poke out on SPY. Y'all see him? Hey, Kermit. So yeah, I'll be looking at ES because yeah, it's on a pullback vibe right now. But see how on the MACD here is like two red solid lines? That's really cool. But it's like, okay, is it gonna pull back here? Or is it gonna keep going? This is just like a 3-bar play in the work. So waiting to see. Exercising patience here. Same on ES. Because ES already gave you the retest on the support. So I would feel more secure about that one than MNQ. I would look at it MES or ES. Whoa, bullish and golfing. It's trying to come back up. Wait for the setups. Wait for the setups. Oh, sorry, on my phone camera. I gotta cut that off. That's so annoying. Okay. All right. So we're just waiting here. See? NQ just gave you the breakdown. It might be coming back to retest on NQ and MNQ. Yeah. It could be. It could be. It could be. But it probably seemed like a longer wait, but you know, no rush. We're not going nowhere just yet. So it could come back to retest. We'll see. Now the cool part is like put like a little box, right? And for the scale, it's gonna break out. Retest it. Which way is it gonna go? That's what we're trying to figure out. M and Q. Q, Q, Q. I really do like ES better though. But they look the same. Only because it has the tap and retest of the support. And this candle is the lower than the retest candle. So there's, oops, I didn't mean to do that. It gotta come back under here. I'm back. That would be comeback number one, and then of course under the previous candle though. So now if the low sticks there like it did, then we wait for a lower high. So scalp wise, you can scalp it back up, but it's kind of risky. I see the hourly candle. Hourly candle flip bullish temporarily. It's just coming back to this candle and rejecting. Okay, so because it's a 3-bar play. All right. So it come back under there and then come back under here, previous candle low, which is the bullish engulfing. Then they be like, all right, I'm interested. They go to the destination there. But it look like it's playing around here. Let me see. SPY. Let's look at SPY on the higher time frame. So SPY, same thing ES is doing. It's pulling back. 15-minute lower low. 30-minute lower low. Hourly lower low. Okay. What does that mean? Is it gonna come up and make a lower high? Or is it going to keep dripping? So that's what we're trying to figure out. Price action needs to show us what it wants to do. Okay, Spy? Okay, Spy. That's NQ. Let's look at ES on here. Okay. So, all right. No lower high yet. Okay. On a 1 minute or a 2 minute. You got a depth cross though, right there. And you got the 15 and the 14 and the 50 on the 5 minute with spy. Spy looking kind of. I mean, this is ES, but same difference. They're the same chart. Might be coming back to this old value gap right here. That's a big old candle right there. As long as it's under the 800 VWAP 250 14. See how it's respecting the 14 on the 2 minute and on the 1 minute. It's rejecting. What the heck went up. But I still don't see no lower high though. So just kind of playing around this area here. Same thing on this here. But now look at the volume though. You see, this is the 50 EMA on the volume. It's under the volume. Here, it's under. Here, it's above on the 5 minute. So that's conflict. You want them all to be the same, saying the same thing. They trying to catch up with each other. Let me look at the volume on the higher time frames. It's below on the hourly, above on the 30 minute, and above on the 15 minute. So that means yeah, when they go up for a little second. How long? I don't know, but the hourly is conflicting because it's under. But the hourly is that guy. He got all the power, so yeah, which is probably why it's about to melt. I don't know. See? The third solid bearish line. It's in a pullback vibe though. Right now it is pulling back. So we just gotta wait. So what we're waiting for, everyone, is either a lower high or it's gonna come back under here. Whichever happens first. So let me know what y'all see. So either one. Let me look at them. See if any more people hopped in that spot. Checking out these contracts. Yeah. Spy. Long put. Oh. 678. 61,000. It jumped up. Big time jumped up. Now it's at 62,000. 677. 62,000. 676. 49,000. And 675. 88,000. Sheesh. That one got the more people in it, and it's a 1 cent spread. 131, $1.31 is the ask, and $1.30 is the bid. That is 1 cent spread. Delta is a 0.33. That one got more people in it. The 675 put, okay. 674, nah. 24,000, nope. 29,000, nah. The best one looks like 675. Yeah, 675 look like that deal though. 677 is 64,000. That one cool too. Got a higher delta on there. The ask and the bid is just a 1 cent spread. They all look good. We're just making to see what it's gonna do. Lower high or no. See, now I got the fourth bearish bar here on the MACD. I like that. What we waiting? Alrighty. You think it want to drip? What y'all thinking? Y'all think it want to drip or make a lower high? Y'all ain't sure? I'm not sure, but y'all sure? What they gonna do?
Yeah, the minute I'm sure, I'm in trouble.
Oh
Because
no,
it's doing the opposite.
oh no. No. Kermit is out. I love it. Yeah, this is gonna drop. You see, Kermit only got 3 bars on it, so I feel great about that. And on ES2, let me see. Yep, ES2. So I'll be looking at ES or MES. They got the better market structure and price action. And Q is a little slow to die. See these little fight over here? Oh, at the volume. The candles to come under the volume, though. That'll be Tony the Tiger great. Ooh, 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 ooh. That'll be awesome. Awesome sauces. Yep, on his way back down. Yeah. So see, ES and SPY got to come underneath here. So this is the previous week low at 6808. So here it broke down that retest. This is second retest of the previous week low. And then once it come down there, I'm gonna say, yeah, it's safe to take it on down. Waiting for confirmation. Which I mean, see, MACD is down. This is under the 50. This is pullback. Once this little green line come under that green line, yeah, that's what we waiting for. Because this green line is where it starts pulling back at. Underneath there, it's just gonna go down. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna happen after it closes underneath that yellow line. So that's what I'm watching for. Unless it wants to pull back and make a little high, then I'm be like, all right, you playing, you playing. But it just look like you want to go lower. Exercising my patience as we should on the lovely 5-minute time frame. So that's what we're looking at, y'all. ES and SPY today. ES and SPY. Kermit got 3 bars. Right on time, Kermit. So we're just waiting for confirmation to enter. Look at the lower lows on the higher time frame. So we're just waiting, just waiting. I could have swore that we are waiting. We just waiting. Ah, see? They wanna pop back up. Oh, what that doing? All right, we'll bring it down just a little bit lower. So this one is the retest candle. So it's popping back up over there. Okay. See? Yellow is pulled back. So green is pulled back down here. All right. So it might want to make a little high first, y'all. No, we gonna wait and see. The bull's trying to take back over. Yeah. Still in a downtrend, but whoa, look at the 1 minute. Where'd that come from? Where did you come from? 1 minute looking giving double bottom though. Hold on. Let me look at that more closely. Oh, okay. Interesting. Because it closed back above the 1 minute. I'm sorry. Yeah, the previous month low. Now it's above the previous week low. This is interesting. It still gave you the little death cross right there though, which is bearish sentiment under the 800 bearish sentiment. Okay. Lower high bearish sentiment. Okay. This is interesting. 3 minute. What you doing? What you doing, Mr. 3 minute? Okay. So we gonna wait a second. Back on the 5 minute. Okay. Well, we might have to wait for that lower high, y'all. But I said, that's why I said, whichever one come first, the lower high or close underneath this low. And it looked like it wants to make a lower high. And that is where we look to take our entry. Remember, this blue line was the 786 on the Fed, which confirmed right here that the trend was no longer uptrend. It is now a downtrend. So, yeah, interesting. We gonna see. Okay. Crazy engulfing candle. That's crazy. Whoa. Man. That's a crazy engulfing candle, huh? Well, where the lower high at, though? You know what I'm saying? Okay, give it. Oh, that man cute. Got a lower high. Okay. Oh, okay. It's on a 2 minute. Okay. It's coming. The 5 minute gotta catch up. Okay, and it's on a 1 minute. Okay. Now, on is if that bearish candle closed under the lower high, that's a great entry point. Same old spot. But we need to lower high. Just on the 2 minute. Okay. 3 minute. Okay. 4 minute. Not yet. 5 minute. Not yet. Okay. That means it's coming. So we gotta wait for it. Yes, too. Permanent is there. Let's see. Please Scott. Yes, you can take it right down to the previous week low. That'd be a cool scalpy. That's the big goal. But right here would be the temporary one. 32 seconds on that candle after that candle close. Or it might just leave you. I don't know. You're like, wait for me. Wait for me. Right here. That is giving like a little W vibe though. Like, but lower high means lower high. Failure to go higher. So, and it's still under the 800 and it's still under yesterday's close. And you got the death cross, which is the 250 EMA crossing down. Market structure looks amazing. All right. That's a cool entry for yes. I would say there just to see. Well, if it closed under it, so I would definitely wait. So on the way down needs to be some cool ES targets. And then if the price come back up here, turn that blue. That's the Figo targets on here. But the price come back up here, that's the bye-bye downtrend. You can write it over here in the corner. Bye-bye downtrend. Cool. Like, I don't know how. Okay. Now, this would be a great place to enter a scout for the 2 minute while we wait for the spy. Just to there. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Long as the gotta wait though. Gotta wait. See that baby not red yet. But relating on spy too. Okay, but on the 5 minute. See, low high hasn't got there yet. We're waiting for the low high on spy. On the 5 minute. It ain't there yet. It's there on the 2 minute and 3 minute. It needs to be there on the 5 minute though. We need the 5 minute. Cause see, this crap happens. It's gonna pop right back up. We need lower height up here. Lower height. Lower height. Where did it go? It doesn't like to wipe my joint out. I wasn't going that far. Going like right there. That's whack. Where they gotta go? It's under there. It could. It could. It could. We're waiting on a 5 minute lower high for spy. It could. I wasn't going that far. That's 2 minutes? Right. What about the 3 minutes? Okay, and the 1 minute. Yeah, see, they that far. But they gotta come down. All right. All right, 1, 2. Up, and I hit it. Here would be the next one. This is where they go down. Look, that's whack. They gotta come down, 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 down. Kermit is still there. Oh wait, for that time, we need a red dot. Well, at least I do. Oh, you wait on spy on the 5 minute. Like, be patient. That thing can just flip on you any minute. They waiting down now, but I just want to be sure. We waiting on the 5 minute. Spy is over here playing. Okay. So Spy don't want to give us a lower high. If Spy come underneath lower day 67627, then yeah, that's when we enter. So y'all keep our eye out for that. And ain't give us no lower high. That's when we sitting over here waiting, like, okay, what we doing? Or does it want to go back up to give us a lower high? I don't know what it was. But if I was saying lower high, I'm not like, nah. It's either that or come underneath here. So I'm just gonna play with ES until it doesn't. Y'all keep an eye on it for us. I'm gonna be back and forth. So it's already, the red dot is already there on the 2 minute and the 3 minute. Okay. See, see, okay. Playing it from the Jesse, let's see. If it was to come down. If not, stop lost that. I get way up there. Uh, that's crazy. There you go. Something like that. I was like, what? Look, that little bit of space give you $1,400. Ain't that crazy? That is nuts. Is it gonna come? I'm about to type probably take that scalp. Is it gonna go? Wait a minute. Yes. Yeah, we got Kermit is there. Maggie is under. You want a low or high? Or to take out the low. For SPY 5 minute entry. That's crazy. Giving a 3-bar play, like a little indecision, little doji candle there. But this gotta be red, though. I'm trusting until that turn red. Mm, is they gonna turn red? Are they gonna leave it? Are they going that far? Come on, Zach. I'm waiting on that. Y'all keeping an eye on Spy? Spy gotta come down. All right, everything pointing down. I like it. I like it. I like it. I just gotta come a little lower, back under that. Because right now it's at the previous week low, but it also has to come back under the previous month low, and then it has to take out this low. If it does that, ready for entry. Ready to rock steady for entry. If it does it, like, see, it's playing the radio, or no, I don't know. Keep retesting this previous week low. It is really playing around with there. Look how many times it hit it. Like, I can't make it up. Like, yes, it's a lot of times. Like, why you keep playing right there? Like, come on down. It looked like it went to. Hey, and my thing keep disappearing, man. I gotta stay on the daggone page. Okay, I'm not going that far. I promise I'm not. All right. Well, hop in there. If it come down. Not going far. Not going far. Just a quick little ES little scalp. Period. Yeah, I was waiting on the MACD to turn red, and it finally did. Think it's gonna go, y'all. Think it's gonna go. Come on, lower low. Mr. Lower Low. Mr. Lower Low. MACD to turn red. So, I'm about to snaggy. 350. Give it to me. Look, I got my hand right on it, like, I don't know. Oh, 425. We'll take it. We'll take it. We're not gonna be greedy. 350, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with it. It's kind of playing around. All right. Now, spy. Baby, baby. So I'm about to look at where my phone at. All right. 2 minutes on this candle, y'all. The next candle is bearish. This is great for an entry because it's been playing too long. So hold on. Let me look back at these contracts right quick. Yeah, 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 yeah. Where we at? Okay. 676, 79,000. 675. Dang! Got 121,000. Might want to look at that 675. It just had 88,000. So, oh Lord, more people just joined the party. Oh, yep, I see why. Okay. Yeah. Uh, 1 minute on this candle. Alrighty. 48 seconds. I should have stayed in that ES. That thing tanky, tanky, tanky. I probably would up $1,000 right now. It's all good. We ain't gonna be greedy. All right. Some puts is in the building. Woo. Y'all on that Microsoft put, that crowd put, Apple put, oh, Adobe put, the puts is putting today. All right. How much time? 3 seconds? Let's see what this next candle is. Oh, all right, y'all. Wait a second. I gotta come back under it now. It's going the other way. Under here. Where you going? Get back here. Oh, this thing playing with us. Wait a minute. It gotta come under there. It gotta close under there. Or else I'm not getting in it. But I am looking at the 675 joint. Because that's where the most people is living at. It might just want to give us a 3 bar play right quick. Come on. Oh yeah. Anytime you see the 3 dark crows, which is 3 bearish candles, boop, boop, boop. Strong bearish sentiment. It never gave us a lower high. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy? But in order for us to enter, it has to come back below this yellow line right here, which is the previous candle low. So it's already under the previous hourly candle, which is here, 676.46. Amazing. But is it gonna pull back? It might be giving us a 3 bar play. I don't know what it's doing. Dang, man. Let's see. I think them sellers in control. They like, nah, bruh, bruh. No, what you doing? Look, Carmen is still in the building. See? This is my man right here. Boom. He in the building, I'm in the building. So just wait for it to pull back. Come on, Mr. Candle. Got us waiting here. It's only been an hour, but still. So the hourly candle. Let's look at the higher time frame right quick. So it's still at the lower low. It's dangling. So 30-minute. Uh-oh, giving us the 3 bar play. That's what we like to see. 15-minute. It's drippy too. Look how far it is from the 50. Look how far it is from the 14. Far from the 14, far from the 50. Not that far from the 14. Far from the 50 though. So anything under the 50 and the 200 means hella bearish. Plus when you see that death cross when the 50 come under that 200, that is beautiful. Just beautiful, dang on it. But you want the volume. You know, the volume will be underneath that 50 though. You know what I'm saying? Come on down. Come on down a little bit. Drippy, drippy, drip, drip, drip. Come on, Spy. What you doing, boo-boo? What you doing? Spy playing with us, y'all. They gave us the tap and the retest. Bears candle lower than the retest. Then they gave us a low, which was the support. And then they pulled back. And they gave us a bullish engulfing. And then they gave us 3 dark crows. And then now here we are. Okay. All right, y'all. Oh, see? You gotta love it, right? You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Let me look at my contract here. I think it's gonna come lower. I don't know. Well, is it gonna pop back up? Because if it pop back up, I ain't getting into another little high. Ain't make one yet though. Peep game. Y'all see one? Nope. Nowhere in sight. I mean, it has to make one at some point, but or it could just keep going. Who knows? Who knows? What are you gonna do? Uh, so it is broke down this support level and retesting it right now. Now, if it could just come lower than the previous candle and stay underneath here, which is the previous candle low. That's why I just put that line right there, right up under the previous month low. So the fact that it's under the previous week low and the previous month low, that is amazing. It just got to come back and close underneath the previous candle low. Come on down. Alrighty, 20 seconds. Might as well just wait till the candle closes at this point. Okay. See what the next candle is. No, that can't be right. Oh, okay. Is it? Okay, what you doing? Okay, let's see. Hold on. 5. Okay, 5 and 16 is under 20 to stochastic, but now it's pulling back. Good Lord. Okay, ooh. It's pulling back. It's pulling back. Bullish engulfing. You gotta wait a minute. No bullish engulfing don't be playing. Gotta wait a minute. It did break structure to the downside, but now 1 minute, 2 minute. Ooh, that thing is nasty. Ooh, that thing is nasty. Just gotta wait. Just put the phone down. Put the phone down. Might give us a 3 bar play though. I don't know. Or it might just want to pull back and give us that lower high we've been waiting for. 3 bar play or lower high. Whichever comes first. We're here for it. We need confirmation. That's what we need. See, 5 minute Hikanashi cannon don't have a wick on it. When they don't have a wick on it, that normally means it's gonna go. But we gonna see. Okay, 1 minute pulling back with the 3 bar play. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think I want to go lower. Let me check these higher time frames right quick. Oh yeah, they flip bearish. Look at it. Look at the 15 minute. Boop, boop, boop. Yep, daily bearish, 4 hour bearish, hourly bearish. Yep, everything flipped bearish. I'm just saying. All right. Let's come on down just a little bit. See? What are you doing? So let's pay attention to what it just did right here. it broke down and retested the support line, which was this candle right here. Now we just needed to come look. It's playing on that line though, huh? Come on, man. How long for another hourly candle? 18 minutes. Okay. It's gonna do what this is doing. So that's bearish. This should flip bearish. It should. Is it? I don't know. Probably want to pop back up. Booga, 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 booga. You guys doing the same thing, right? Playing. I should have stayed in that daggone, yeah. But these are my ES fib levels right here. And then this is the ultimate. So I should have did that on spot too. Come on, man. Come on, man. 3 minute. The 3 minute gave us a little high, but not on the 5 minute. Like what the heck? Well, I'm gonna just use this to get the fib levels off here. So we got some destination. Oh, this low here, this low right there. Well, I'm just needed to come lower. All right. So now we got 3 targets. That's what I was doing. So that'll be the first one. Boom. Okay. They just need an entry. Is it really going to like pop back up like that? But no money lost is still good. Jeez. Trying to pop back up. I don't know. What is it doing, man? What is it doing? And this up here, this is support. Okay. Once it go that supporting. I just made up a new word, y'all. That's what we want to see. And break the support. It went down, went back up, came down, engulfed the whole move with it. 3 dark crows. Go and retest this level of support, which is this candle. And now it's back at the previous month low. It's rejecting it right now. And this is the previous hourly candle low. See, is this bullish or bearish? What is going on here? We up here waiting, y'all. We waiting. Okay, I think now when they give us a lower high. And that's cool because we can catch the meat of the play if they do all that. So we've been waiting an hour and 15 minutes at this point. Jeez, Louise. Just for safe entry. If you get in too early, you're gonna be in the red. So uh-huh. All right. All right, all right, all right. It might want to pop back up. Keep the eyes on the prize. Man, back up it goes, huh? Well, that's cool. Go back up then. We gonna wait on it. We gonna wait on it. So we gonna wait. So we gonna mark these up too for Mr. ES right here. Same deal. Same deal. Damn. And this here. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. All right, yeah. So I told you. Look, same daggone charts. Different names. Crazy. Look at all that. Coming right back to this line, which is the previous month low. So clearly, they gotta get past it. Like, it gotta come back. What? Come on, man. Consolidate playing right in there. It was the retest candidate. Lower than the retest candidate. 3 bar play. Come down. Crazy bullish engulfing. Then crazy. 3 dark crows. Players to go lower. Pushing back up. Bullish engulfing. There's just a lot going on here, guys. Patience is key, though. You just wait for the low high at this point. Like, it didn't want to come lower. I thought it was going to, but we just gonna wait. No. Anybody else? Yeah, Nvidia playing too. You do see like a little double bottom action, but that could be the 52 fake out right there and right there. That's top or bottom. Go right to the 50 and no. See, AMD probably doing the same thing. Yep, like a little different, but yeah. Apple. Okay. Now, Apple give a higher low. Because this right here is the golden cross. That means hella bullish. If it's gonna the 50 gonna come past it like that, that'll be amazing. Tesla probably hitting rock bottom. Tesla on his way to right there. That's where Tesla going. So he's 97.99. But no lower high. Where is it? Is anybody giving out lower highs today on the 5-minute time frame? Anybody? Because Tesla did get a break and retest. It did, well, tap and retest rather. Tomato, tomato. I mean, it could have been a nice trade there to there, but Tesla expensive too. Just gotta wait for the lower highs. Back to QQQ. QQQ giving a double bottom too. Crazy, crazy. So QQQ is just not like it did actually. I see. I was so focused on spot. It did come back to retest. Broke down, retest support here. Did that. Gonna give you 3 dark crows, and then it failed to go lower on here. It did the same thing. Spot did. Broke down and retested this little support level right here. But the broke down, retest, failed to go lower, and pushed back up. Right back to the 50. Y'all know how they go. After the low, come right back to the 50 like clockwork. That's on all time frame. It just happened. So the breakdown and retest. So QQQ will have to come back under here. It got 3 levels. That will be level 1. This would be level 2, and under the previous hourly candle was number 3, but it's about to be a new one in 8 minutes. So, previous week low. Yep. We gonna see what it do. We waiting, y'all. We waiting. Exercising patience. Why? Because patience pays you. All right, look. Is it gonna be a lower high somewhere? We need a LH. LH. Okay. Let me see where this is. That's okay. Got it. All right. They give it to us on the 1 minute and 2 minute. Look, nowhere on the 5 minute. Just straight crickets. All right. That same repeat move. Reject them. We're gonna keep going up. Give us a lower high or no? Mm. What is they gonna do? Mm. Hmm. Interesting. So it wants to come right to the 50 EMA and reject. Excuse me. Better respect that. Respect that line. How long for a new hourly candle? Okay, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Oh, uh-huh. Come back underneath the previous week low. Other than want to keep going higher. Crazy, like, what happened? Because they gave a 3 bar play in the bullish, right? And the bullish, that Billy. Pulling back, right on that 50, now it's rejected. Went to the 50, now it's past it. Lower highs up here. Say to go higher. 1 minute, he has got to come back down under here. The market structure point. Sure. Well, lower high is moving, going higher. Look at the lower high though. But look at the volume. Let's focus on the volume. Look. See how the candles are under the volume? Under the 50. And on the 5 minute, under the 50. Beautiful, right? Let's see what the higher time frame is. Higher time frame, 15 minutes in SPY, above the 50, above the 50, above the 50. Lower time frame, below the 50. Higher time frame, above the 50. And what does that mean? That means conflict and not confluence. Okay. So now I gotta move this out a little bit. The lower high is now over there. Mm-hmm. 4 minutes, no lower high. 3 minutes, no lower high. 2 minutes, lower high. Okay. Mm. Playing on the 50 EMA right here. Life should. And when I come back there. Oh yeah, that's true. That's about a 50. That's playing around right there. Even Kermit. Kermit is pulling back. My man is pulling back. It got to make a low high now. It has to. There's no lower high in sight. It has to pull back. And that's what we are waiting for. We got yesterday's low, pre-market low, opening candle, pre-market high. See, 5-minute ES is under the 50. So that means it could want to come back down and just in a pullback. He's looking at all of the little symbols, all of the confluence. Let it build. Come on, Spy, really? Apple playing. They all playing. Oh shoot. I did not mean to do that. Oh sure. This was our line in the sand. Oh, I didn't write it right here. Wait, I think that was it. No, that couldn't have been it. That's too close. Oh, hold on. Let me see. Why did I put that there? I don't remember. That's why I gotta mark stuff up. I'm like, wait. Who are you again? Like, hold on. Why did I put that there? It's up here. This is the bye-bye downtrend. 786. Okay. So if SPY closes above here, yeah, suspect. Let's see if it's gonna reject that right there. That could be interesting. Write that in over. Uh-oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh man. Don't play us like that. Please don't do it. Please don't play us like that, son. Don't do that. Hey, I said green. Oh, I meant the text. Not the line. The line can stay. Well, whatever. Okay, that's fine. It better respect our bye-bye downtrend line. I know that much. What you gotta do? What you gotta do? Um, oh, 30 seconds. Um, oh man, blew right through it, huh? Well, gotta love the trading game. About to turn into a high. They're gonna pass this. Yep. Boom. How'd I know that? How? 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 Man. Mm. is interesting. This is so interesting right here. Is it a new hourly candle? Oh, yeah, that's what's doing it. Okay. Wow. Um, yeah. Well, this is right back at the support level right here. But that was on a 2 minute. Bye-bye downtrend. Okay, so the low high had came on a 5 minute. But I was using that. But we'll see what it do. Because now, like, okay. I mean,
Hey,
we know.
Moo. So
Yeah.
a 3 bar play, it could be bullish or bearish, right?
Yep.
Okay.
For sure. Let me erase this. This is for the 2 minute time frame. So right now, on a 5 minute time frame, waiting for the LH. But if it passes, like this is the support line right here, right? Which is from the ORB. Which right here, this is what we was looking at originally. The tap and retouch, right? The two touches of the support. So it broke down. This is a break of the support, right? Came down, got to go lower, and now it's pushing back up. So if the price, and this, by the way, hold on before I finish my sentence. Bam and bam. This is always like the no trade zone in there. Because for puts, it has to be below that. And for calls, it has to be above there. So in between is no trade zone. That's what that means. That's what the X means. It's a reminder. Don't take no trade within these two green lines because that's when Price trying to figure out life. So we waiting to see what it's gonna do. And it still has not made no lower high yet. You gotta love this trading game, man. You have got to love it. By golly, love it. Okay, they're gonna poke out now or what? Cause I been an hour and a half at this point. There it is. All right. So 50 right to the 200. Now, mind you, all of this is happening underneath the 800. Is my man standing here with his arms folded, like bearish underneath there. Okay. So lower high. Remember I said this is the swap zone in here. So it could be coming back to test that again. But right now it's on the support, which is the low of the 9:30 a.m. candle. It is right on that line right now. So lower high means failure to go higher. Now, if it comes back up here and takes this out, meaning pass it and close above it, then this lower high is going to turn into a high or a higher high. But hopefully it ain't do that because we got our targets underneath, so I ain't trying to hear that. We've only been waiting an hour and a half, I mean. Baby boy, what we doing? Exercising patience. Oh yeah. All right, wow. Hey, hey. All right, there it is. 2 minutes on this candle. Let's see. We want a week close on it. Mm-hmm. That would have been a nice scalp on, yes, but just gotta be patient, man. Patient. I'm gonna get it back down. Come back down. That's gonna be nice. If this will ever freaking stop going up, my goodness. Okay, is it the 200? Yay. You're gonna stay there, or the 200 tell you the overall trend, just like the 800. So you definitely wanted to reject right here, which is at the swap zone, which is right above the support level at a key EMA, which is the 200. So ow. Hmm. 1 minute on this candle. Yes, look the same. Let me see. Yep. Lower high on the 30 minutes. Hourly just pulling back. And a high on the 15 minute. Interesting. 4 hour candle flip bullish. Daily candle flip bullish. And the hourly candle flip bullish. All this flipping. What is going on? And look where the volume is. Coming up. It's above it. It's below it. So whatever the hourly, that's the man in charge right there. The other one is just kind of just like, yeah, they following along. But this one right here, that's where you want to look at. So I still think it'll go back down. But my goodness, it's climbing. Leaving these crazy, this fair value gaps. That's why it's green like that. It's going up, 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 up. But lower high, we finally see it on the 5 minute. Now, how much higher is it gonna get now? We got 5 seconds on this candle. 3, 2, 1. Bearish next candle. Oh, you gotta be joking. And when I go higher though, come on, Cletus, what are we doing? I think it's time for you to park it. Like, calm down. Okay. See, now it's in between the orb. And that's where you don't want to trade. So for us to get into a put what we have been waiting an hour and a half for, which is definitely will be the beat of the play if this candle closes weak. Because we don't need no strong closing candle. We trying to go down, right? It just need to just stop playing. And this is yesterday's closing price one more time. I don't remember why I had this right here, but this is the swap zone here. So now above here, this is support. This is support. So it came back to retest this. So it better reject. So for us to get in on a put, it has to come back, close underneath here, number one, and then come back underneath the previous hourly candle high. Because as long as it's above here, bullish, I'm bearish, just bulls trying to take over. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at Spy. They trying it. Look at him. Look at all them contracts. Crazy madness. Woo! Now straight. Look at the volume though. Man. Wow. How high this thing gonna go though? My goodness. If it come past this resistance line, then look, that's the fib lines the other way. Yeah. Jeez, I can't keep up. Is it gonna reject here? Because that'll be a nice push down to the downside. 2 minutes on this candle, man. Come on, sellers, where you at, man? That would have been a nice little grab. We need a rejection. Rejection, where are you? It's been pulling back for a long time now. Look, 4-hour candle is just bullish. That's a strong 4-hour candle too. I see it is now, oops, didn't mean to grab that, above the previous 4-candle high. Previous hour 4-candle high, which is right here. It's butter, yeah. Look, and now I just took out this high. Well, it look like it's trying to. If it don't, it still say lower high, but if it does, it's gonna say high. It's gonna say high. Why my lines never be straight? All right. Higher than the previous 4-hour candle high. And then the one before that. And now this high. Yeah, I don't know. That is a crazy high, lower high. Is the sellers coming back in? Where y'all at? Y'all sleep over here? What's up? Oh my goodness. Man, I don't know, y'all. We ain't lose no money, so that's a good thing. But all of this shenanigans going on. I think it's gonna go. Them Bulls is not playing. All right, we finally get some rejection. Hercules. Jeez. After how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bullish candles. They weren't trying to play around today. We need rejection. That's what we need. Reject. Man, reject. All right, and let's. Woo. All right, it didn't take out the high, which is the resistance point. Oh, let me erase that. That was on a 2-minute time frame. Okay. It came close though. Jeez. Erase that too. Now, that joint just split. You got the EMAs pointing up. Where is the volume going? It's above the volume. Let's see how it's coming back under. The volume, come down. My line never looks straight. Like, that's good. All right. So, if the next candle is bearish. That could be a great entry. We gotta wait and see, because that lower high could keep going higher, or it could sit right there. Let's see what the higher time frames talk about now. Okay, see, hourly pointing up, 30-minute pointing up, 15-minute is rejecting. 12 minutes on a new 30-minute candle, but it's right at the 50 EMA. This one passed the 50 EMA, and this one is still under the 50, but this is where we pay attention to. The hourly and 15-minute just tag alongs to the hourly. That's how I look at it anyway. As long as it's under 50 on the hourly, you're good. Because that means the Trinity and under the 800 and the 200 too. Because you got that death crowd sitting there, so. And they rejected supply up here. But it's got a strong bullish candle on the hourly. Sheesh. Wow, look at this. It's like sitting right at supply. Yep. Wowzers. It's not gonna go past the high day, is it? 860 on what's the name? Yes. Is that what it want to do? I'm confused. Oh man. What? Right to the 800, huh? Well, look at that hourly candle is strong. That's a nice hefty. Let's look at what it's showing us. 14 and 55. Tap and retest on the 200. Means it's gonna go right to the 800. Now, this is the line in the sand right here. It's either gonna reject this or it's gonna close above it. But here we are. It might break resistance. We were trying to go down. This market done flipped us on that again. Oh shoot. Okay. What is she going to do here? I'm so confused. Oh, child. This has been interesting today. No definitive direction. With confluence, let me see that. So it rejected the 800 for now. We're gonna write that up here. For now. Right? Interesting. Wow. Okay, so EMAs are pointing out. They gave you the so here again, type and retest on the 200 going down. Here again, you type and retest 200 going up. And it also broke back above the support level. Went to resistance. Tapping. I don't know. So since it made a high, it took out this high, which is our resistance level. But it rejected the 800 EMA. So if it's still under 800 EMA, it is definitely making a correction. But it's above the 200, above the 50. So y'all know what comes after a high, supposedly, is a higher low. This high just went to a low. No higher low, nothing. Just went. So that's why this wasn't good to get in, because it never gave a lower high. It just kept going. So this is just a whole interesting thing right now. So for now, I'm gonna erase my little line here and see what price is going to do from here. Because resistance here. No, we're at 800. Okay, spot 800 is up here. So right now, that's the tab and retest of resistance. Retested, resistance. No, that's what it's doing right this minute. So now this next candle, let me see. Oh yeah, it's bullish. Might have to flip our sentiment here. Same thing with ES. And that candle is bullish on Friday. That's just so crazy, man. We think we getting into a put in the market like, nah, you're not. This is why we wait for confirmation. Now, at the tap and retest, uh, uh, I mean, bullish candle, is it? It gotta cool off though. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bullish candles. And Kermit is freshly out. Kermit is fresh out. 2 bars. So here, what I said, gonna take out that one, turn it to a high. Above the previous 4-hour candle, bullish. Kermit, bullish. RSI's above the 50, bullish. Mm, mm, mm. This thing can run though. Where is it? It is. It gotta pull back at some point. Yeah, I'll wait for a higher low then. 9 bullish candles, that's suspect. You know, it's like, you get in at the top and then you're gonna be negative. That ain't the plan. That ain't the plan. We're gonna get this to like noon. And we'll see what it do, man. Gee, it's been playing with us all day. Come on, let's pull back, man. Gee, it's gonna keep going. Let's see. Is it? Is it gonna keep going? That's right. Let's see a pullback, a bull flag, something. What's this right here? All right. So now, gotta love it. Gotta love the trading. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 1 o'clock. I'm gonna do a I'm gonna put it in the Discord. I'm doing like some fundamental info at 1 o'clock. What is it?
You about to break a company down?
I ain't doing all that, but I am going to give some cool fundamental information on where's my info? Hold on, I'm gonna tell you. Give you a sneak peek while we waiting for this market to stop playing around. Hold on. Where is my notes at? Yeah, so we waiting on the higher level at this point. So, um, where is it? So, so like basic stuff. So like option contracts, upfront premiums, what to look for in a company, some rules, what to look for before you enter, out the money versus deep in the money, leap options, strike prices, stuff like that. Nothing technical, just all like research, informational slash fundamental.
Oh, okay.
Just gonna be going over some stuff. I'm about to yeah, because I was talking to a YouTuber. I was like, yeah, man, how can I get my numbers up? He's like, your information is great, but you gotta go live more. I was like, okay, well, what can I come up with? And I was like, yeah, you're right. So I was like, yeah, but he's like, your content is amazing. I was like, okay, so since I know I'm producing great content, I just need more eyeballs on it. I get that. So in order to do that, you got to be consistent, which means you got to keep going live, like often. So I'm gonna be going live doing giving out like basic information, but it's still information that everybody need. But I'm not doing nothing technical. You gotta take the class
No,
for that.
I think it's solid for sure. Just some good information that could be used. Definitely.
Period. Absolutely, information is information, right? So yeah, that's where we at with it. That's all right. You right. So I'm gonna be working on my information only for like 10 minutes. I'm not doing like a whole lecture. I'm just more so like bring your pad. But the cool part is like it's gonna be on YouTube so you can go back and pause it and take notes. So even if you miss it, like it's still cool. It's gonna be there. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing that a few times a week. Because I got so much information, it's just crazy. I'm like, you're right. Like, come on, higher though. All right. Well, these are old Johns. Well, I'm gonna just move them. I'm gonna leave them right there. So just higher low print. Okay, wait. We gotta come over. Wait a minute. See how far the fig line's going up. Okay. That's why probably like 12. I'm gonna get off here, get some lunch, and then come back. Okay, so that's that. And up here, and then up there. Come on over up here. All right, and this one, oh shoot, here. This bye-bye announcement. All right, well, I'll write it down. Okay, so we're gonna see what this market gonna do today. It's our third phase of waiting. And we got till 12 o'clock. Because after that, out of there. But No money loss. It's still a great day. It did tap and retest. It retested resistance. That's crazy. So right now, people, we are waiting on a higher low. And with ES, so that would have been crazy. Stop with ES, but yeah, rejected the 800 for sure. Right at the 800. That's crazy. So yeah. So this target is we're not doing that target anymore. Well, it might flip. Who knows? I'm gonna leave it there. But this market today, boy, look at this. This is some crazy wonky action. Like, what is this? What is it? Anybody know? I can't. Yeah, it is craziness. Rejected the 800 EMA. All right. Coming back, we need a higher level. We need the HL. All right. It's on the 1 minute. Right at the 52, right there. Boom. It's rejecting on the 2 minute. It's 14 EMA. So you got to tap and the retest. Well, how far down is it gonna go? Or it's just gonna pull back up? So in a 2 minute and a 1 minute, it's about 800. Interesting. Okay, you got the golden cross here. Interesting. Okay. Oh, snap. Mm. Okay. Higher time frame, still pushing up. Still under the 50 on the hourly. It is retesting the 50 on the 30 minute and it's definitely above the 50 on the 15. So, and look at the volume. Let's say again. Now it's under on the 15. Here, it's under. On the 1 hour, it's above. So that's probably the direction we're headed, up. Always focus on the 1 hour. Oh, come on. What we doing here? We being patient. That's what we doing. This is yesterday's closing price. That's playing around it right now. SPY is doing the same, I'm sure. Yep, playing around. All right, we wait. HL, we wait. No HL, no NT. Unless they're gonna give us a bull price and not the Fed. Now, that would be interesting. It could be doing that, giving us flag vibes. Flag. You don't want to come back and make a higher though. This market is so lovely. Something like that. Want to break out the flag? They want to break out the flag. You see the little bull flag trying to do something here? That's all they want to do. Oh yeah, that's a pin bar. That's about to go out. Okay. So let me measure this right quick. Woo! That's a long flag. Yay! Let me just go right ahead. So that's where it's at. My goodness gracious. Wowzers. That's over 100%. That's ooh. That's definitely double your money. Double the pleasure, double the fun. Why did I put in? I don't know, y'all. Who knows? Full flag. I meant percent, not in. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So what that means is this bull flag is pretty how many candles is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bullish candle. And you see a pin bar with that crazy line with a bearish candle. Right here. We about to look it up right quick. Bullish pin bar. Whoa. Right here. This is what we're looking at. All right. There. You see a bearish candle, bullish pin bar, and then a bullish long candle like that. That is telling us something, people. Anybody know what it's telling us?
You want to go up?
Period. Absolutely. That thing about to run. Yes, sir. Let me look at these fire contracts. Pin bar is especially the inside of a bull flag. Yeah. Let me see. I gotta flip the script on these folks. So we sure was looking at them puts. Puts ain't put no more. Oh wow, them them contracts went from like $2 to like 6 cents on them puts. As everybody got out, huh? 6 cents, 6 whole cents.
Well,
Wow.
that's crazy.
Them things drop like flies, man. Oh goodness. So here we are with the calls, the long calls. All right. So where we at? 682. Let me see here. What is it? 685. Let me see. Oh, 685 is only 59 cents, 57 cents, 125,000. Yo, Spy be having that weight. 125,000 people jumped in there today. Got a bandwagon, folks. All right. The 683 and 138,000 today. 7,000 open interest. At 126, $1.26, $1.25. It still got went down to 121. So we gotta wait a second. It's fluctuating. 1 cent spread is great. That is great. That is great. So I would want to enter if it's gonna come up, this flag is gonna come up above this high. That's why I would want to enter. Because otherwise it's gonna play and make a higher low. Or it could come down, make a higher low. I don't know. But entry wise, I wouldn't want to enter until there. And this would be like the fibs would be the target. It would be actually 800. And if it past the 800, it's definitely going to that bull flag 689 and 87. But it gotta get past here. Well, I gotta get past here first, and then this is the first fib target. So I'm gonna write that down. This is the Fibbo target. Boom and boom. And this is just like a regular target right here. This one too. That's the previous day high. Let me write that down. Previous day high target. Previous day high target. Then you got the bull flag. And this is just a key level target. So you're going on. A lot of targets up here before we get to that bull flag. Okay. And look at that. It could be looking promising. Key level. That's fine. All right. So we got some new targets. But y'all can screenshot that. if you need to, but we is waiting. To get back past resistance, you gotta get in on the bullish candle higher than the retest candle. Wait, so it's not so much green. Let me do like pink. 683.29. So it gotta close above this high, which is at 683.29, which is right near high of day. So this high wick is the high of day right now. So it's the past high of day, and then hopefully it can start knocking out these targets up here. So we gonna see what it do. That's what we gonna see. We got till 12 o'clock, and then yeah, we got 17 minutes. Come on, let me show you where it's at. It look like it's struggling. Are you struggling, Mr. Candle? Oh yeah. Another ancient Chinese secret is when you see a pin bar, I'm about to look it up on Google too. So that's the breakout, right? And when the retest candle is a pin bar candle, that thing about to run. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So retest on the 200 EMA. Thinking. High probability trading strategy. Wait for price to pull back to touch the EMA at the initial breakout. This confirms the trend direction, acting as support in an uptrend, hello, or resistance in the downtrend, and reduces risk by avoiding chasing the initial move. Period. I'll give you the whole setup, the whole shebang, bang, 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 bang. I'm putting y'all on game. Hey now. Hey now. You're an all-star. Boom. That's why the poll's so long. That's why we got all these targets up here. Looking kind of promising, but it needs to close above here. So I'm just letting y'all know what to look for. You know what I'm saying? Google ain't gonna lie to you, but when I see that pin bar on the 200, oh, that thing about to run. Then we can get excited, but not until it closes above 683.29. That's when I'm gonna get excited, and hopefully. But even if that doesn't happen before 12, I'm still gonna hop in, and I'm gonna eat me some lunch. But at least now you can screenshot the screen and you know where the targets are. Oh, and for ES. ES been playing, so this could be you, but you playing. All right, here we go. Just gotta measure. Let me see here. So boom. ES, ES. Well, that one, this pin bar ain't touching the 200 like SPY is, but it's still gonna run. It's still gonna run. So we'll do like right here. Oh, look at that. Right near the key level. Look, look, look. We can't even make it up. Look, same thing. 1.09. That's the same one. Full flag. 1.09%. Sky is too. I mean Sky. I meant SPY. And just so I have the fib levels too. You never go wrong with my Fibonacci friend here. So y'all had the stuff. Y'all can screenshot them and rock out and see what it's gonna do here. Boom. And bid. All right. So erase all them lines. And now I gotta get back above the higher day, which is 686675. And then like the info level Why can't I spell today? Bam, bam. Okay. And then you got the target and then the bull flag. They like right by each other. So you can screenshot what those are accurate levels for what's it called? Yes. Yeah. So break out there. Bull flag's up there. Oh, bull flag is at 6932.5 L. So once it get back above the Orbi and above this resistance, yeah, it's just still rejecting the 800 EMA. So it just need a couple more confirmations, but it's looking good. It's just now it's just consolidating. Like, why? Why are you consolidating now? That's what I start doing at 12 o'clock. If y'all notice at the 12 o'clock every day, the freaking market just like keep going sideways and you're like, really, bro? What we doing? 1.09. Isn't that cool? That's the same exact measurement. Like, how cool is that? Okay. So yeah, this pin bar, you don't see this too often though. I see it maybe like twice a month. But when you see it, yeah, pay attention to that mug. That part. Okay. 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 It's look at it. It's just being retarded, y'all. It's being retarded. Consolidating. What's everybody eating for lunch? I think I'll make me some home fries and a turkey burger. I think I
I
might.
got like a ground turkey bowl that got sweet potatoes, some broccoli, and a ground turkey.
Oh man, that sounds delicious. Did you make it?
Yeah, I did. That's actually my lunch all week.
Okay, you meal prep.
Yeah, yeah.
Dang. Yeah. I made all my stuff yesterday. I just gonna reheat that mug up. I love meal prepping. It saves so much time.
It do, and then too, it help like you stand actually on the plan. You know what I'm saying? Because it's easy to when you don't have the food to just eat something else. You got it made, just heat it up. You good.
That's it. Heat it up and call it a day. You right. And be like, I don't feel like going nowhere. Let me see what DoorDash talking about. I was like, so
Right, and that DoorDash add up.
woo, don't it though? I gotta stop being lazy. I had to call myself out. Hey, especially on the weekend and it's raining. Ooh. Like, all right, let me stop playing. Go to the farmer's market, act like I can cook.
Right.
Like, oh, what am I doing? Keep buying,
Yeah,
living
I
in
heard Trap say what he spent like 502 days. I was man, God,
man.
crazy.
That's wow. That is a lot. That's like you feeding the whole army with that. Shit.
Man, for real.
For real, for real. That is like wow. Look at this, y'all. You know it's 12 o'clock when the market is why? That was what was Apple doing? Apple never went no higher either. Look at it. Then it's giving double top. Y'all see that? Apple probably going right back down. We in the Apple put. Look at that. That's what I think Apple about to do. I'm just saying. Apple probably going back down, especially at that lower high. But I could be wrong. But that's what it's looking like over here.
So when there's a double top, that second top, it don't have to be exactly level. It just needs to be close enough, right?
Yeah,
Where the
yeah.
top are. Okay, so
Mhm. Just go in the same direction. I mean, very seldom they'll be equal, but it's like a few inches off. Not too bad. As long as you can see the M, and then it's a W in the other direction. Child, and like, okay, Look, okay, double bottom here. Yep, I've been. We seen that back when I put that. I don't even remember what time. Oh, that was at 10:40. Okay, that thing went. Yeah. Right to the 50 to the 200. Where the 800? Okay, 800 up here. See, they consolidating too on Nvidia. That's why everybody else doing it. Nvidia rule everybody. If Nvidia doing it, so is everybody else. Like monkey see, monkey do over here. They gotta crawl out of that, go up or down. So it's still double bottom here. That one kind of level, but they all don't look like that. See? Boom. That thing went. That thing went. That's the double bottom. Like, okay, AMD probably did the same thing. Yep. Double bottom. But
Yeah, I didn't know they moved the same, like similar.
oh yeah. They like Siamese twins. They like um, oh, well, I guess here. They could probably go back up to the resistance line. The ugly W, but nevertheless, still a W. You have AMD and NVIDIA, they always look the same. Giving that double bottom. And Apple doing the opposite, giving us a double top. I don't know why the hell I had this right here. Where did that come from? I don't know. It's just sitting there. What's Tesla doing? Oh, I thought Tesla. Okay, well, Tesla probably is going to go there now. Boom. Now, Tesla might run y'all. That might be the one. I don't know why the arrow pointing that way, but this might be the one. This is what we was waiting on. The lower high. And this is support. Look at it. Gave us a tap retest. Started to go lower. Came up. Started to go higher. Might be a better look. I mean, but Tesla is expensive though. You got the Tesla coin. This does look good. I will wait. I mean, if you're interested, right under here, which is this low right here. So under 406.91. Yeah. Tesla probably gonna go down to that 397. Now, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because it might do it, it might not. But if it fails to go higher, it definitely can go lower. Boom. I took a screenshot. All right. I think it's gonna go there. Yeah. Maybe before 4 o'clock. I don't know. But I would say, like my stop loss would be up here. This is a little high. I think Tesla going to go. I'm just saying. It's pulling back right now, but yeah, it would have to come back and close right underneath this one. And then I'll be like, okay. But I know Tesla's so expensive. And I like Spy. Spy it'll be under $100. Okay, it's coming, y'all. It's time to move. It's trying to move. See, we wait for it to get out of our resistance. See it tap, we tested our resistance. Now I gotta come back above a higher day. I come back above a higher day. Boom. Let me see what contract I was talking about. Let me see here. Which one was it? Which one was it? This has been a wait and say, child. They gave us a run for the money. Let me see. The 18. What's today's date? Okay, let me see. Man, you get this down to the 18. They add a couple hundred more dollars on that mug. Okay, that's how you do zero GTE is way cheaper. Whoa. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. Okay. 680, what is that? It says 682. So 683. And got 152. Wow. 684. 93 cents. 114,037 Greek. Okay. Yeah, I would say Let's see who got the most people in it. 147 and 682. They gotta come above that line though. It's still consolidating. Come on. Come on, son. What we doing? Let me see. Two. There's cool people in here though. Sheesh. 683, 684, or 685. They all got like 130 something thousand people in it. So the 685 is 51 cents. So you can get like two of them joints. I mean, you got big pockets, get a lot more, but yeah. 150, 683 got the most, 653, 153,000, 43 Delta. That looks great. And that one is yeah, I like that one the most. It's $1.24. 683, which means 124 bucks. But that's contingent upon 683.29. Like, how long we gonna do? Like, you can sit here and watch paint dry. Like, whoop. Is it gonna break out? What we doing? You gotta come out of there. Out of there. Come on, man. Is it gonna try to or not? Oh, this thing is black about the whole thing here. There's no trading going. Look at my little color. So how much time we got? Oh, we got 1 minute, y'all. I hope y'all screenshot these targets because giving us a run. No money lost is still a great day. But however, this is looking great for bullish. I'm not gonna hold you on that. Yeah. Okay, great. Yeah. So that's what we looking at. And if y'all wanna do that Tesla one this week until they come under 695, 39799 is the target. That's that. And then SPY, y'all already know. Hopefully I done already got those targets already. It has to come above 683.29, and then it can start knocking out the target. Okay. And then what was our other friend? Yes. Yes, same deal. Oh, wait, I did that. So ES, yeah, here is the levels for ES, which the EMAs. And that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits here. But I am gonna get back. I'm about to post the little thing in the if y'all got time and y'all wanna come hear me on the live event, it'll be in the YouTube section or hey, but I'm about to go get some lunch.
Thanks,
I
Moo.
appreciate you, Moo.
No
Have a
doubt,
great
no
day,
doubt. Hopefully
everybody.
y'all learned something. Yes, right. Everybody have a good
Yeah.
day.